Ladies and gentlemen.
Hey everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2020 Toyota Tundra in the SR5 trim. With just under 48,000 miles, this extended cab pickup truck is equipped with a 5.7 liter V8 gas engine. It is four-wheel drive. It does have one minor on the Carfax with two previous owners. In the front, you will find this Tundra well equipped with high intensity headlights, and down below you'll have an aftermarket rugged front bumper here with two front recovery hooks. And coming around to the wheel and tire setup, it looks like we'll have an 18-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like new Wrangler tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like tow mirrors. You'll have turn signal indicators here, and on the reverse side, you will also have turn signal indicators with blind spot monitoring. They are also heated. You will also have your LED reverse lights with keyless entry. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black on black theme here with touches of silver accents and chrome, and as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this Toyota Tundra. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these leather seats. Now these are aftermarket from Katzkin, very professional. Go check those guys out. Highest grade of aftermarket leather seats here. Additionally, located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report. Here you can see all the tires are 9/32 all the way around. The brake pads are good to go, and everything else is checked off by our technicians. And guys, we take care of the wearables here at All Things Automotive, so you don't have to shortly after purchasing a vehicle with us. Here in the back seat, your passengers will still have plenty of space, not the full crew cab. This is the extended cab Tundra, but as you can see, these seats will flip up. The leather seats continue down here. You have your jack and tool accessories down below with a little bit of storage. Pockets on the backing of the seats. Looks like we have a flip out cup holder, a 12-volt outlet, and you will also have a power rear sliding glass. Paint matched bed cap here from Ranch Caps. Coming around to the rear, nice tail lights here, nice and bright. High definition rear camera. You also have your aftermarket rear bumper here with your tow hooks, all your towing equipment, including your 4 and 7 pin wiring. Let's go ahead and take a look here because we have a special surprise here in the bed. A nice added value item here. You will have a deck system here. Really rugged storage system here, as you can see. It goes all the way back to the length of the bed. Super tough on top. Of course, you do have the other slide out drawer as well, perfect for camping or hunting, off-roading, all kinds of outdoor adventures. Making our way to the driver door, you'll notice all your powered options over here, such as power windows, door locks, and then on the inside you'll have mirror adjustments. You'll have some lighting options here, and you'll also have a cargo light as well. Upon startup, you will notice right under 48,000 miles here in the center display. And as far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, to the left you'll have some audio controls here, and you can pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And to the right we'll have some selections for your center cluster and some page options, and you also have forward collision and lane departure. Now bringing our attention to the center display and infotainment system, let me go ahead and engage the rear camera. Nice clear display with your guidance lines. You will have some hard buttons here on either side. Of course, you will have AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth connectivity. Down below, we'll have some simple climate controls with some charging. As far as two USBs, looks like we have an auxiliary for alternative audio and a 12-volt outlet as well. A little bit of storage here in the middle. Standard shifter here with your manual shift. And then you will have two cup holders and a nice deep storage console here with a 12-volt outlet. And if we look up top, you will have integrated garage door openers with your auto dimming rear view mirror. And on this particular Tundra, you'll also have your compass integrated right into your glass. So at this point, we're gonna go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will find a 5.7 liter V8 gas engine. As you can see, super clean. No evidence of exhaust leaks, oil leaks, or anything of that nature. No corrosion on the battery terminals. Brand new Napa Legend battery here installed by our technicians. And they do a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. So in the last portion of this video, guys, this is where I'm going to go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Toyota Tundra. Keep in mind it is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. And this is a very helpful resource for those of you who might be shopping from further away. We appreciate you shop with All Things Automotive. But before you make the trip to our dealership, we want to be upfront and transparent. Here on the front of the hood, nice silver metallic exterior, minimal stone chipping, very clean. Your chrome accents around your grille, very clean, guys. You're going to have some scuffs and scratches on top of your headlight, but nice and clear. No cracks, no condensation, no hazing, no fading. Some cosmetic blemishes here on the middle of your bumper here, just right before you get to your grille inserts, the front of the truck. So a little bit of wear and tear from the road, but these front and rear bumpers look brand new. Coming around to the passenger side here, you have some slight blemishes here. No curb rash on the wheel. Nice and clean all the way up to your A-pillar and your nice mirrors here, your tow mirrors. So a little bit of discoloration here, but not a lot of wear and tear from the road. All the way down to your badging and your rockers. Everything's super clean here, guys. Now on your outer trim pieces here on the doors, you are going to have some discoloration here. As you can see, all matching WeatherTech rain visors. Very good shape. And looking inside, we're at the passenger side door card. No rip stains, tears, or anything like that. All the trim pieces around your glove box are in great shape, and your leather seats are in great shape. Again, those are the aftermarket Katzkin, professionally installed aftermarket seat covers here. They're a little bit more than a seat covers. They are factory fit. Coming around to the back seat here, nice clean carpets, all-weather floor mats, spans the whole width of the truck here. As you can see, very clean, no rip stains, tears. Even on the headliner, that light color did prevail. No stains or anything like that. Guess what, guys? No odors. Super important to All Things Automotive, no smoke odors. Able to mention you do have some PPF here, some protective paint film on the side of the truck here at the rear, on your bed. Scratch here, as you can see, probably spans about 2 feet back. Comes all the way back here, but very light. Tail lights are nice and clean, no cracks, no condensation. Your overlay here, your camo overlay, is still in good condition. We left that there because it's not cracking or peeling or anything like that. That can be removed if you'd like. Rear bumper, again, like brand new. Your deck system is in very good condition, and all your trim pieces back here are in great condition. Coming up the driver's side, no dents or dings in the vehicle body, no curb rash on that wheel. Super clean underneath here, as you can see. Got some more protective paint film here and here by the cab corners and rockers, all the way up to your badging. I do see a blemish here on your rear driver's side door, and then minimal scuffing behind your driver door handle. Guys, if you have any questions on this Toyota Tundra, give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7 at allthingsautomotive.com. And guys, you can even get yourself pre-approved. It's a super easy process. It only takes about 10 minutes of your time. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because this Tundra will qualify. So we hope to see you guys at 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.